Understanding the phrase, hot wash. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the depths of English language and unravel its mysteries. Today, we have an interesting phrase on our plate, hot wash. Now, this might sound a bit quirky and intriguing, but worry not. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. Hot wash is a phrase that originates from the military, specifically within the U.S. Army. It is used to describe a debrief or review session that takes place immediately after a mission or an exercise. The main purpose of a hot wash is to reflect on what happened, discuss what went well, what didn't, and what could be done better in the future. The term, hot wash, comes from the idea of washing away the dirt and grime immediately after an activity, while everything is still fresh. In this context, the dirt and grime symbolize the mistakes or areas of improvement that need to be addressed. By doing this promptly, the team ensures that lessons are learned and improvements are made for future endeavors. Now that you understand what hot wash means, let's see how we can use it in a sentence. 1. After the completion of the project, the team had a hot wash to discuss what went well and what didn't. 2. The soldiers gathered for a hot wash session immediately after the drill to evaluate their performance. In both examples, hot wash is used to describe a reflective discussion aimed at improvement. And that's a wrap on today's topic, hot wash. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of this phrase and how it is used in context. Remember, language is a fascinating journey, and every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!